this video, I'm going to show you how to create a full narrated audiobook with 11 labs, from importing your manuscript to generating and exporting the finished chapters. First, open your 11 labs dashboard and go to the studio. Click the new blank project and then select the audio project. So make sure you give your audiobook a title so you can keep everything organized in one place. Next, import your manuscript or paste your text into the project. For a full audiobook, don't put the entire book into a one massive block. Break it into chapters and sections like this. This makes it much easier to edit, regenerate specific passages, and keep your final files organized. Now, select your preferred voice. Open the voice selector and then choose a natural voice that matches your genre and preview it with a sample from the actual manuscript. If you need a specific character voice, you can assign different voices to different sections when appropriate. So before generating the entire book, create a short test, listen for a pronunciation, pacing, pauses, and character dialogue. If something sounds wrong, correct the text first. Adding punctuation and paragraph breaks can also help control how the narration flows. So once you're happy with the result, generate the audio chapter by chapter. So don't wait until the entire book is finished before checking the audio. Review each chapter as it's generated so you can catch pronunciation or delivery problems immediately. So you'll just need to click this play button.
In a quiet village where the sky brushes the fields in hues of gold, young Mia discovered a map leading to forgotten treasures. Little did she know, her cat Whiskers had a secret.
So when everything sounds right, you can use 11 Labs export options to save each chapter as an audio file to keep consistent file names such as chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. So the final audiobook is easy to organize. And remember, only narrate books you own or have permission to use. If you're planning to sell the audiobook, also make sure your 11 Labs plan and the source materials give you the commercial rights you need. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.